Hello, today we will guide you through how to add AD balance to Exness demo account. If you want to practice trading without using real funds, adding balance to your demo account is an important step. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go in your Exness personal area and how to top up the demo balance so you can continue testing strategies in a risk-free environment. To begin, go to the Exness personal area. This is where you can manage your trading accounts, including both real and demo accounts. Once the page loads, look for the section where your accounts are listed. Next, click on Demo. This will switch your view to your demo trading accounts, making it easier to manage the account you want to update. If you have more than one demo account, take a moment to make sure you are selecting the correct one before moving on. After that, click on Set Balance. This option allows you to manually update the amount of virtual funds available in your demo account. It's useful if you want to reset your practice balance or test trading with a different account size. Now adjust the amount to the balance you want, then click Set Balance to confirm. Make sure you enter an amount that fits the kind of practice you want to do. For example, some users prefer a smaller balance to simulate tighter risk management, while others may choose a larger amount for broader strategy testing. Once the balance has been set, click on Trade. This will open the trading options connected to that demo account and take you closer to the platform where you can verify the updated funds. From there, click on Exness Terminal. This opens the web-based trading terminal where you can access charts, monitor positions, and confirm that your demo account is ready to use. If the terminal takes a few moments to load, just wait until the interface fully appears. At the upper right part of your screen, click on Deposit. Even though this is a demo environment, this section gives you the option to add more virtual funds to your practice account directly from the terminal interface. Then click on Top Up Demo Account. This completes the process and adds demo funds so you can continue practicing. After the top-up is applied, you should be able to see the updated balance in your terminal. And that's it. You've successfully added balance to your Exness demo account. If the new amount does not appear right away, try refreshing the page or waiting a few seconds for the balance to update. This process is quick and helpful whenever you need to continue practicing under different trading conditions.